All right, so if you've seen any of my YouTube videos before, you will know that I am a big advocate for making Amazon listings that are to the highest quality that you can possibly afford. This is something that I talk about a lot on the channel. If you're new here and you've not heard me talk about this, then get subscribed to the channel, because this is one of the things that I talk about a lot, and I think it is one of the most important parts of success with Amazon FBA in 2023. And I'm super excited to announce that we've partnered with who, in my opinion, is probably the best Amazon design agency in the entire industry. We partnered with a company called Spotlighted Studios to bring you guys a free 3-part masterclass where we're going to cover everything that you need to know to make beautiful Amazon listings and beautiful Amazon brands. Now, there is a link in the description to reserve your spot for the masterclass. We're going to have limited spaces available, so if you do want to learn how to do this stuff, if you want to learn from the best in the industry completely for free, go and check out the link, leave your email, and we will reserve your spot for you. So we're going to do the masterclass on January 31st. We will be doing it at 2 p.m. GMT, so 2 p.m. UK time, which is morning time in the US. There will be a live recording available afterwards, so if you can't make it to the live event, don't worry about it. Just make sure you sign up with the link in the description. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to cover everything that you need to know to create beautiful brands and beautiful listings. If you don't know Spotlighted, these guys are honestly, in my opinion, the best right now in the space for Amazon listing design. So if you take a look at their website, you will see how good their work is. Their stuff kind of just, it blows me away. It's absolutely beautiful. If you've got a product like this and you want to have the highest quality listings that you possibly can, then you need to be working with guys like Spotlighted. So go and check out their website. They do everything really, really well. And we've teamed up with them. We're super excited. You know, this is what we want to be bringing to the community more often, is we want to partnering with the best in the industry to bring all of our members and all of our YouTube viewers, you know, the best content that we possibly can. So I'm going to hand this over to Jose now, who is the art director at Spotlighted. A big thank you to him for helping set this up. I will let him explain a little bit more in detail what we're going to cover in the masterclass.
Are you having trouble with product listings that feel okay, messy branding, and overall bad performance with conversion rates? Do you feel like your customers get into your listings and end up leaving because they didn't understand what you were really offering with your product? Do you feel like you have incredible ideas on how to make this all better, but you don't really know where to start or even what tools to use? If this sounds like you, I have great news. Hi, my name is Jose and I'm the art director at Spotlighted Studio, and we're a German-based design agency that focuses on serving clients like you get incredible product listings that perform and convert incredibly high. And we have partnered up with Honest FBA to create this 3-part webinar. We're gonna give you tools and tips on how to optimize your product listings, how to stand out from your competition, and how to elevate your branding so you can stop being an average seller within your niche. If something like this sounds interesting to you, please click the link below and get all the information about the dates and save your spot.
So that's what we're going to be covering in the masterclass. Hopefully I will see you there on Monday. This is going to be packed with so much free value. Genuinely, we probably should be charging for this. I know that sounds a little bit cheesy. You're going to get so much value from this. Honestly, you can't afford to miss it. Hopefully I'll see you there on Monday. Reach out to me in the comments below if you've got any questions about anything. Don't miss the link in the description to reserve your spot, and I will see you in the next one.